Alright, so apparently I wasn't recording for the first bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I really need to start doing things better. Like, start. Uh. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not okay. Not okay. Okay. So all the stuff I said earlier doesn't apply. It didn't get recorded. Okay, I will explain stuff later or at the end, but ideally I should do it at the beginning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about all this. But there's bi-weekly next week. Oh, and USACO is coming up, so. What? Wait, okay, I need to think about this. So. Wait, this is weird. So things you can't use numpy here. Okay, I got it. We don't need that. Am I recording? This is just such a failure. Oh my god. I'm sorry. So first thing, camera's not working because I should just record something at the beginning. Oh my god. Ah, my god, no. I don't like this. I don't like this. I really need to start preparing earlier. Wait, is this even right? Hey, Oru. Yeah. Are there two spaces after the T? There's no spaces after the T. That's weird. Oh, trailing spaces are not allowed. Okay. Oh, there we go. Chomp? No, okay, that's for pro. leading white space is removed as well. R strip. Okay. Okay. And TIEN SGT. Haha. Haha. Yay. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. This is better than last time. I should probably open up the chat. I can't open it up here because then it starts freaking out. So, why don't we just disconnect from that? Right. Okay. Now this is fine. And okay, there we go. Sorry for the. We will just cut a bit off and leave this for chat. All right. Okay. All right, hang on. Just reading. Okay, okay. Okay. Let's minimize this. Hopefully you can't see the chat. How far can I make this? Okay. Because we all know what happened with the chat last time. Right? We all know what happened with the chat last time. It wasn't good. Okay. What? Wait, this is literally trivial using Python because you just use the del command. Alright, let's use DFS. And if it has no children, it doesn't matter anyway, so. Right, how many people have answered this? 14, okay. I'm sorry about no camera, it's broken. Should explain later. I need to fix up my mouse. Okay. There we go. Right. Because we're deleting it from memory. Also, I just figured out you can have multiple test cases. What? Oh, okay. Just want to make sure. Okay, what should I do with this space? Ideally, I should put some kind of image. So, let's just put a quick image. No, why did you see that? Why did you see that? Ah, no, stop. Don't look at that. No, stop. Ah, oh my god. I'm sorry. I will blur this out later. It's not too hard to blur stuff. Ah, stop. I'm sorry. Okay, let's just pause. Oh, we can't do that. We can't even do that. Alright, what if we can cut the scene. Cut the scene to that much. I'm sorry. I really need to gain more experience in this. Alright, I like that image. It looks good. Hang on. I will give you more room than that though. And I'll go until the chat shows. There we go. Okay, so that's as much as I can show you. Just cover a bit more than necessary. Yeah, that looks really weird. Too bad. Okay, keep working. I can actually extend this, like, to there. Alright. I'm sorry, everyone. This contest was a non-prepare contest, but I'll be preparing more for you, Siko. What? Oh my god, stuck in Java. Okay. Oh wow, I like how it does this. I like how it does this. No, I don't like how it does that. Let's think about this. Let's think about this. Remove leaf notes. This doesn't make sense. Slow, servers are slow. Okay, 1342222. We simply don't run that line. It should print out 123224. No, it shouldn't. It should print out 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. What? Why is it? Huh? Why is it? If we just return just check up. Okay, we're good. Problem 3. I am happy that I'm doing better than last time, but I'm not happy that this video was so unprepared. Okay, that's pretty stupid. What if we just return root? Is that what we're supposed to do? These servers are slow. Okay, so we are supposed to return root. Right, okay. Okay, apparently it did not delete. Okay, yep, there we go. So we do this. So we want to say deletions equals 0. And then we want to say deletions plus equals 1. And then I mean, is this recursively what you want to do is keep track of parents? Right? Okay, maybe not. Let's check. Why do I keep checking? I don't need to keep checking. It's completely unnecessary. Time. What the? What? Why? It just keeps printing it out more and more and more. But we... Huh? We should print out deletions. Also, I find it likely that time limit will exceed on larger test cases. So, okay. Still time limit exceeded. 2. Always 2 deletions. But why? I want to see what it does here. Okay, there's probably a different way to do this. I should be careful not to move this window. I could go like that, and the chat would still not be visible. That looks pretty cool. Oh, I can't see anything right now. Alright, make sure the chat is visible. It's not visible. And go like that. And move this down. There we go. Also, I should probably play some kind of music under this, but wait, I can't do that. Alright, what's the smart way to do this? The smart way is to say, look at the parent nodes, look at your children. If one of them has a bad value and they have no children, then delete them. And do that with parent nodes. And then you delete them, and then you look at your other child. Python doesn't have point. No, I'm sure. Interesting. I want to keep this here. Oh, I could pop this out. That's nice. Wait, what? I can't? Okay, if I hide it here, I can keep the controls like this. And then I can hit the button if I want. Just in case, you know? So I can hit the controls if I want, and I can pause and start recording again. Alright, you know what? No pointers. Screw it. So what we want to do is look at each parent. If the parent has, look at each of the parent's children, if they have children. If the children has no children, then delete them. And we keep doing that until it's over. And you'd have to do this recursively. Yeah, okay, why don't we define a recursive method? Because that would do it all in one swoop. Right? Yeah. And we wouldn't have to mess around with this deletion stuff. Oh, we can use the same thing. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay, what do we want to do? If Okay, so how are we going to structure this? So we want to look at the left, and we want to look at the right. The left should delete everything. But what's at the base? The base is ultimately the scenario we presented before. And now that you can't see my face, it's even less fun because you can't even look at my face. So now we've dealt with grandchildren and we've deleted them. Or we've looked at children and if we've deleted them because we need the parents for that. Okay, now after that, you're left with the parent itself with deleted children. Okay. It will say this is not defined, which is why we need this. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully this works. Target. Okay. Usually, I don't think it would be good to include an extra argument in there. And I think this is the optimal solution. 1, 2, 3, null, 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 what? Okay, well, it deleted two of those null, two of the twos. It didn't delete this one. So it calls two, it calls this one, and it removes everything. Okay. After that, so perhaps we would take this block, and why doesn't my delete key work? Okay, and move it in front. Just add it to the stack of recursion. This is very deep recursion before we actually start doing anything. Is this optimal though? 1, 2, 3, null. Okay. Okay, my delete key does work. Next. Oh, we have lots of examples. Maybe I should add a commentary after this, after my video. And maybe I should just cut out all the silent bits, but that takes a lot of work. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do next bi-weekly is just speed it up. Speed it up like 10 times, make it a 10-minute video, so I can add music with my face in it. Nothing to L2. What? 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do we risk it? Do we risk it? How big do these numbers go? 1,000. No. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's good. So 4. Actually. Tree. No. What? What? How's X and... Oh. Oh, I haven't configured this yet? Ah, no. Okay, I don't want to have to do this again. What was I going to do? History previous, history next. History next must be down arrow. history. Previous should be up arrow. Apply. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. What? Have I installed? I feel like I installed these things before. Ah, no. What I wanted to do was this. What I wanted to do was add commas between them. Might as well do that. Okay. Paste this in Notepad++. Huh? Null? Why does it never select null? That's an option. Yeah. Random.choice null. Never. Oh, I need to make it more frequent. Fine. Whatever that was. X equals what? I'll make it 1,000 times. There you go. We redefine tree. Okay, and then we do paperclip.copy tree. Okay, now what do we get? I need to word wrap. View. Word wrap. Okay, yep, that's good. I feel like this font isn't exactly what I want though. What do we want? 777. Okay. Nope, runtime error. List index out of. Okay, apparently something's wrong with that. Probably can't hold all that information. You know what? Screw it. Submit it. No, actually, no. Before I submit it, one time. One last time. What was it? It was 2, right? 2. One last time, and then we submit it. Okay, submit. Frick. What do we do? What do we do wrong? No. Why is it print 1? It's Okay, what do we do? We got to deal with the corner case. I feel like there's something easier to do. Here. Okay. Yeet. Yeet! Alright, let's go! Only a 5-minute delay. We can easily solve this within 52 minutes. Let me just take a short break. We will. Yep, okay, unpaused it. Now you're going to look at this scene for the next bit. I'm just going to take a break for now. Yeah. Also, I should add music. And we're back. Okay, now it's time to do the next problem. Oh my god, there's one. Yeah, I felt like this contest was a bit easier than expected. Oh, I feel like these sounds. Yeah, I feel like these sounds might be a bit extreme. So, maybe? No, you can always turn down your sound. So I'll just leave it like this. This is weird. This is a weird problem. Weird problem. Ah, come on. There's a possibility it can't be watered? That's outrageous. Wait, what do you mean? You can't, even if you activate all four. Uh, why, if it's at 3 and you have 4 taps, you can cover the entire garden. You should be able to, right? Because this doesn't make sense because n equals 3. Oh. Oh, these are just markers. Okay. You have to cover the entire thing. Okay. So 1 point does nothing. Whew. It's difficult. I need to think about this. But I don't necessarily like being recorded. Being recorded. Sorry. This is difficult. Okay, so brute force. Will brute force work? So there's exactly as many taps as there are as the range of the garden plus 1. Okay. So a garden, a tap should Well, if each tab covers range 100, we'd be dealing like with 10 to the 8 here. Let's start out with Java just to make it better in the long run, right? Now, 1 second. I need to take a break for a little bit. All right, continue. I could just pause instead of making those breaks. Yeah, I could do that. We have 40 minutes. That means I spent 50 minutes on the first 3 problems. That's... Oh, maybe I didn't. Oh! We know this is... Oh, that makes it so much easier. We don't have to place the taps. The taps locations are already given to us. Yeah. But then you still can't do 2 to the n. Because 2 to the n is way too slow. But what could we do? Wait, hang on. Can't do that. What could we do? Okay, greedy would mean we just open up the biggest tabs first. But that's not necessarily good. So if you activate the biggest tabs, first, and then you activate the smaller ones. Well then, if the smaller ones eventually end up covering the entire garden, you wouldn't need the first tab. It's very convenient that these are already placed for us. See, if I don't do problems like this, then I will fail at like bigger competitions, because they're built upon things like this. That's why I need to read more books on programming, and like mostly competitive programming. A lot of people have solved this already, but how? How? Because they know how to do this problem. And there's a problem of if the garden cannot be watered. It would be very stupid if this was just a bash problem, right? It would be very sad indeed if this was just a bash problem. Because 2 to the 10 to the 4 is a overwhelmingly large number. So it can't possibly be brute force, otherwise I wouldn't have these restrictions. All right, what if I try to try turning off the recording for a bit? Never mind, the whole point is that you're gonna see me doing this. See, greedy wouldn't work here. Or would it? No, greedy might work. Yes, greedy could work. I think it would work. Okay, so let's think it out. So we can sort them by in Python? Maybe not. So we sort them by how large the ranges are. So we want the largest ranges first. And then we look at the next one that is not completely contained within the first one, or the range that we've already covered. Right? And then we keep doing that until we have the entire garden. Yes. And I bet you could prove that this is the best. Hopefully this is the best. I'm sure you could prove that this is the best using some kind of like monovariant or something, and then prove that. I don't know. That would be a math problem. I'm not in the math mindset right now. Okay. Let's start coding it. You know what? I think we could work better with Python. And they have more generous time limits for Python anyway. But it would be bad if I had to convert this to Java at the last minute, like I did for various other LeetCode contests. I'm thinking about this. So earlier today, I was doing a USACO training problem called Milk 2. That was what it was called. So it involved doing time ranges, which is sort of like what's going on here. And it involved calculating overlaps of time ranges. But I was too lazy to do that, so I made a huge array to handle all of the times that would exist, and there were up to 1,000,000, so it was fine. I think we might be able to do the same thing here. Maybe. Should we, though? I mean, is handling... Why don't we try it? What are these languages? Okay. Also, we need to be careful of the 0 ranges. Just like in the cows problem, because they don't contribute anything. So how do you do here? Oh, come on. Well, okay. Can it sort? Wait. Yeah. We're gonna need that. We sort by... Yeah. We sort by... Yeah, we don't need to do that. Ranges.length is n+1, but we're just doing it to exemplify the point. Hopefully this works. I'll try to do it even if the contest ends. So we're doing arrays.sort. So this is sorting by range. All right, we look for covered. We can just put covered down here. Probably should add comments. I've had this bad streak of not putting comments, but I used to put a lot of comments. So what is it, tap? So we want to look for the next tap that is not redundant. What? How do you tell? Man, that would have to do on, and it'd be on squared, which is 10 to the 8, which is fine. 10 to the 8 is fine, because we're using Java. Oh, okay. That's a problem. We're gonna have to... Covered should start at 0. Yeah, okay. We're gonna say a point is covered in the array if this point to the next point, like this. if that like interval is covered. That is why it only needs to be range n. And not n plus 1, even though they're n plus 1 points. And it is a Boolean array, not an int array. That's on. But you'd have to do it anyway. No, but if you calculated the ranges, yeah, whatever. Well, not all. You know, why don't we do a do while? Because that spares the on at the beginning. We don't need it. No. What do we do? Well, we look for the next one that is not redundant. So we're looking for no, int start and would have to be range plus I minus 1, or I plus range is I minus 1, right? And I'm sure arrays sort like that here. I don't want to open up Eclipse. I don't want to have to save this. Java does this, right? I am so glad that LeetCode offers this sort of thing. Okay, apparently we can't do that. Can't import Java to util.arrays. Oh, this is all okay. Class. What? Okay. Ditch that. Sort 2D array. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Wait, what? Hey, that's pretty cool. I hope it works. No, why didn't I save it? No. Right. Whatever, I'm not gonna follow the convention. It would be bad if I had to convert this to Python. Finished. What's the simplest way? A Java array. Array.toString. Okay. I bet there's a shortcut for that. There must be a shortcut for that. There's no shortcut for that? No shortcut. Okay. What was the line they gave us? Okay, A, B, dot, double dot, compare. That's, I hope it works. Wow. Wow. Okay, no, we're not going to work with that. Coding is faster than I would expect. I thought it'd be like practicing an instrument or something, but it's not. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Good. Where do we sort it? Okay. That would be a login. Okay, so we want to find the next one that doesn't cover. Is redundant. Is redundant. So I want to see if it's redundant. If it's not covered, it is immediately not redundant because it is of some use. So what? Since we sort it by ranges, 0 should be at the bottom. Right. Right. Ooh, okay. Index. Ooh, okay. 0 minus 1, right? Hang on. Because you want it to be positive. And you subtract that much. So, for example, if it starts at 1, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Right. But for the other end, we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we want to subtract 1. Right. Yeah, we don't need that. It ends at n. So, oh, okay. Do while. Right? Oh, technically we should sort it in decreasing order. So, what does it sort it in? It sorts it in increasing order. So, index should be n, because if we start at 0, it'll be 0. Well, not is redundant. Well, okay. Well, it is redundant. Right? Okay. You know what? We're going to do something really cheeky here. Okay. And then once we say, oh, it's redundant. Oh, wait. We minus we say, oh, it's not redundant anymore. Okay. If it's not redundant, okay, once it's not redundant, we can say wait, what? The end is yeah, because we don't want any off by ones here. Right, yeah. Okay, once we've done that, hopefully it works. Right, used up. Okay, if all no. If we ever reach a 0, we unless if n is okay, n is at least 1, so we're good. If it's ever 0, so right, okay, we return if it's all covered. Ha ha ha. Okay, compile error. And okay, int covered. Int array covered. Yeah. Import Java. Okay, well the playground didn't need it, so this probably doesn't need it. In a few seconds. Are their servers really that overloaded? Public okay. Why did they not let me run code fast enough? Huh? Cannot find symbol. And I literally declare it here. Huh? Probably screwed up somewhere. Do while. Do while. Okay, yeah, we're good. Cannot find symbol start. But we declare start here. Right? So we can even print out start and end. Line 34. Yeah. There's no standard out. Cannot find start, cannot find end. Cannot find covered. Cannot find garden. Something sketchy is going on. I don't like it. But it compiled. It compiled. if it's all covered. Why? We have 10 minutes! We have 10 minutes! Alright. Cannot be on an int. Covered I. But covered is a Boolean array. Oh, okay, wait. That should be good. Nope, compile error. Lots of compile errors. Simple variable in. Covered. Oh. But start is here. Or whatever. Is redundant. Fine. We declare. I will solve this to the end, even if the contest ends. Okay, I just spelled it wrong. Is that? Garden. That's here. Is redundant. While is redundant. Why this not work? While is redundant. Oh, okay. Well, I forgot a letter somewhere, obviously. What did I say? Redundant. All covered garden. Okay, I cannot find the variable garden. For Boolean B in garden. Cannot find simple. Oh, if all covered. Yeah, okay. We index 5 out of bounds in line 25. What do I try to do here? 2, 0, ranges. Huh? Oh, okay. Right. There we go. Index 6 out of bounds for line 6, 31. Index. Same thing, line 32. Ranges 2 is obviously of length. Yeah. Oh. Why did I do n minus minus? It should be index minus minus. Okay, my answer is 2. But the answer is actually 1. What did I say I have to do? Why does it think it has to? It's not all covered. It is all covered. Oh yeah. I don't want to be sure if want to be clear. So once we find one, I know in these moments that I am not going to make it ultimately. False, true, 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 true. False, 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 true, true. What? False, 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 true, true. False, 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 true, true. Which one could possibly activate that? No matter. I'm going to simply do this after the contest ends. All right. The range is 4, 4, 4, 1. Yes. 4, 1. What? It's 4, 1. And then it covers all of 0 to 5. Right? All of 0 to 5. Huh? Covered. Yes. Oh no. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do that. E. False, 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 true, true. 4, 1, 5. But why? So 4, 1. The index is 1. I don't know why that's burning. Okay. No, nothing's burning. It's fine. Start and end. Well. How we compute start and end is kind of shady. 3, 4. Why is it 3, 4? Start. Start is 4 minus. Oh! Okay. Got it. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, I'll be sad. But why don't we just try submitting it? You know, if there's anything, I don't have time for this. I should really prepare the test cases beforehand. -1. Did it do -1? Is it supposed to be -1? I don't know. -1, 3. Okay, time to submit. Time limit exceeded. Time limit exceeded. Alright, what is this printing out? Printing out a whole lot of junk. Wrong answer. Too bad. No. What? No, I'm gonna. No, that's on. 0 to 7. What? What? Okay. If you do that one, it goes 4. 8 minus 4, which is 4. And then 8 plus 4. Oh, we want to find the max. Oh. We want to sort by start minus end. Frick. Well, the contest is ending. The contest isn't really about getting place. It is totally about... don't like this. So we want to sort by... Yeah, contest is ending soon. I'll do some on after contest. Okay, contest is over. Let's see what place I got. Don't say that. Contest over. 1,000 place. Oh, that makes me sad. That makes me sad. Okay, so we want to do length and then start end. So that's going to be 4. So equals, no, I'm going to do this. Start is equal to this, to I minus range is I, and minus 1 plus range is I minus 1. 2 equals end minus start, and this equals start end. Alright, okay. Now we don't have to do all that. We say 0, 1, 2, and then covered. And then start and end are not defined. Index 1. I will be sad if this does not work out. Because, what happened? Bleh, 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 bleh. 1,000 place makes me really sad. Really makes me so sad. Wrong answer. Okay. I do want this. Runtime error. Okay, yeah, I knew that happened. Yeah. I wish you could see me. I'm angry because I'm so angry. Oh, I forgot to make a script for this as well. Okay, I might pause and make a script. Wait, but no, I won't do that. Which 2 are you talking about? Which one do you select first? You select this one first. So range is 5. Uh-huh. Well, if you just turn on that one, then you're done. Oh, okay, but then you have to compute the remaining amount. Screw this. Screw this. It's over. It's over, and I am 1400, please. Ah, it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's time to talk. It's time to talk about stuff. It's time for after contests rambling rants. What do I talk about? I don't know. What do I talk about? I don't know what to talk about. Oh, well, I do know what to talk about. I was going to talk about how my camera is broken. You know, maybe I should use the pause feature to make it sound better so that you don't hear me when I'm not talking, so I have time to think. But I also need to practice my skills in talking like in front of an audience, and this is sort of an audience. It's not really an audience at all, but like it gives me practice for when I am talking in front of an audience. So I guess I'll just talk about what I wanted to talk about. Like I was thinking a lot about what I was going to talk about last time. Well, no, in between last contest and this one. So I was kind of hoping that this one would be more prepared with like a script and setting up my microphone and having like 10 minutes of before contest talk and apologies about what I did last time, what I did wrong last time, and what I hope to do better this time, and what I was going to do better this time, and referencing that I did what I was going to do better. But I didn't do that because I screwed up again. I started setting up at 6:15. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, so now is going to be the time where I talk about what I was going to do this time to make it better. So I started at 6:15. The contest started at 6:30. I was trying to set up a second screen so I could have the chat and OBS on that screen so I could keep monitoring it, but the other screen was running on a computer that was a little bit slow. So that didn't work. And it was really laggy, so I had to spend some time dealing with that. So eventually I didn't use it, and as you saw, I just ended up cutting off this thing and putting a bit of an image on the side. What else? Oh yeah, the camera. The camera's not working, so it's not here. Ideally, I gotta have something on this side of the screen. Something here. That makes it nice. Nicer. So that there isn't just a bit of black space, because then I might as well just cut this to a smaller resolution, but that's not very satisfying. And when I do have a camera, I'll just put the camera here. So this is temporary. It won't be here forever. Like most likely next week, I will have my face here again, but the bottom part will still be cut off. So like it'll look like this, and then I'll put my face up here, but you won't see that much of my face. It's okay. USACO. This was partially in preparation for USACO. Not really, because I would do this anyway, but USACO is this weekend. So we can pull up the page. USACO. It's being slow. So it says, yep, January 17th through January 20th. I will probably do it tomorrow. Also, I'm in silver, and silver is hard. Maybe. Okay, I'll review more USACO stuff right before the contest. Actually, knowing me, it probably might not be good, but let's see the solution for this one. Yeah, it says this is quite tricky for silver. How about this one? Yeah, okay, we didn't do that. So, quite tricky for silver. So are all of them. Hang on. Never mind. We're good. Mostly. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Determining meetings. Yeah, determining meetings is easy. Determining T is difficult. Multiset? Oh, n log n. Oh, cause sorting, right? I don't understand this. We'll have to do this later. I'm too tired. Too tired after doing the contest. Too tired. Being sad. Being sad that last time wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. How this time, especially, how this time wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. How I didn't do enough problems fast enough. It's all very sad. It's all very sad. Yeah, I'm back down to 1690. Oh my god. Wait, what is this? What language would that be? Neil Wu got first again. C++. Finally Python. What? What? Yeah. This is what I did. Yeah. Huh? Wow. That's cool. Is that fourth place? Yeah, that's fourth place. That's pretty impressive. Using Python fourth place. Fifth place is Java. That makes sense. Okay. Wait, no, that's not Java. That's C++. Right. I will probably be uploading this video very soon. Now, I just feel sad that this one didn't turn out as good. USACO, I might split it up into chunks. I don't know how to do that yet. I need to figure that out. Maybe I'll split it up into problem numbers, or probably hours, because that might be heavily edited. Actually, probably won't be heavily edited, because I don't like to heavily edit stuff. And I'm not getting a lot of attention on these videos anyway. But next week's bi-weekly, I'll probably wake up early, and then I will, oh, shoot. I still need to kind of edit this thing. Oh, I probably should have added music. Next time, hopefully, I will add music. Maybe. But for bi-weekly, I definitely will, because it will be sped up, because I can't talk too loud because people are still sleeping. So I'll add music beneath that, maybe probably just YouTube stock audio. Do I have anything else to say? No, I don't think I have anything else to say. So I'll just say stuff tomorrow when I do USACO. But for now, that's all. Thank you very much. Goodbye.